Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Let me ask you something honest. You want to make money freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, but you can't write, you can't design, you can't translate, and every gig you look at requires something you just don't have. Or maybe you already freelance and you're stuck at 1 gig a day, spending hours to earn $50, while the platform is full of buyers ready to pay more if only you could deliver faster. I know that feeling, and I'm going to tell you exactly why it's happening and how we fixed it. The problem was never your skill level. It was never your pricing. It's that one person can only physically produce so much work in a day, no matter how hard you try. Most people never fix this because they think the answer is working longer hours. It isn't. The answer is letting AI do the actual work while you keep the payment. GigMachine AI, the AI-powered app that completes any freelance gig for you. Writing, design, logos, video scripts, translations, and more in minutes so you can deliver client-ready work and keep 100% of the pay on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1. Find or paste your gig. Let AI scan for gigs, match your skills, or grab an order you already have. Step 2. Let GigMachine AI do the work. Paste the requirements, get a finished deliverable in 1 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Review, deliver, and get paid. You keep every dollar. Check out what's inside GigMachine AI. AI Work Engine turns any gig into a finished deliverable in minutes. Gig Finder scans Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer daily for gigs you can complete. Skills to Gigs Matcher matches you to the most profitable gigs, no experience needed. Proposal and Message Writer writes winning proposals and client messages automatically. Revision Handler paste client feedback, AI revises instantly. Gig Manager Dashboard track every gig, platform, and dollar earned in one place. Pricing and Profit Calculator know exactly what to charge every time. Templates and Swipe Library never start from a blank page. Commercial license included. Use every deliverable for unlimited clients and gigs. 1 gig, 1 paste. GigMachine AI doing everything else. Writing, designing, translating, delivering on complete autopilot. Click the button below right now. Get instant access to GigMachine AI. Paste your first gig. Deliver it in minutes. Then watch what happens when you start taking 5 gigs a day instead of 1. You're covered by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. If GigMachine AI doesn't deliver, you get every penny back, no questions asked. I'll see you on the other side.